Again, I'm HEZREY bin MASRI.
Hello, my name is AKMAL by ADENAN.
My name is PUTRI ALIEYA binti Muhammad KAMAL. My name is SYAZA AYUNI binti Muhammad JAILANI. Today we are going to present our assignment about soil pollution.
What is soil pollution?
Soil pollution means the presence of chemical or substance in a soil at higher than normal concentration.
There are a few factors that contribute to soil pollution. One of it is agricultural practices.
Agricultural practices such as overuse of fertilizers can cause the soil to be polluted. This is because the excess of the fertilizers that were not absorbed by the plants will seep into the soil. Moreover, the use of pesticides and herbicides that was made from harmful chemical can also cause soil pollution. This is because harmful chemicals such as methylene chloride, hexachlorobenzene, and toxaphene are corrosive, which can cause the soil to undergo desertification. Runoff animal waste is also the reason for soil pollution to happen.
Next, industries are also one of the primary sources of soil pollution. Activities such as improper waste disposal, chemical spills, and the release of heavy metals into the environment contaminate the soil. Heavy metals like lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic are commonly released often from sources like batteries, fertilizers, pesticides, and mining. These pollutants degrade soil quality and harm plants, animals, and humans. Other than industrial activities, urban expansion is also another major contributor to soil pollution. With rapid development, issues such as construction waste, land encroachment, and improper sewage management arise. Construction waste includes non-biodegradable materials like plastics and concrete, which make soil compact and infertile. Toxic chemicals from paint and adhesives further degrade soil quality. Land encroachment remove vegetation, leading to soil erosion, and often results in waste being dumped in these areas, contributing to pollution. Improper sewage management allows untreated waste to seep into the soil, introducing harmful pathogens and chemicals that degrade soil ecosystems.
We did an experiment to evaluate the severity of soil pollution. To find the difference in pH value of contaminated soil, polluted soil, and non-contaminated soil, natural soil. The problem statement is what is the difference in pH value of contaminated soil and non-contaminated soil. The hypothesis is the higher or lower the pH value of the soil, the more polluted the soil. The variables for manipulated, the type of soil, which is polluted soil and non-polluted soil, the responding pH value of the soil, and constant variables, the volume of distilled water used to prepare a mixture. The objective in this experiment is to identify the pH value of polluted and non-polluted soil, and also to understand how pH difference indicate soil pollution. The material that we use in this experiment is 50 grams of polluted soil, 50 grams of natural soil, and 200 ml of distilled water. The apparatus that we use is 2 plastic containers, spatula, and pH strip. The procedure for this experiment is, for the first one, put each soil samples into different containers and label it. Pour 100 ml distilled water into the plastic container containing soil sample. Stir well using a spatula until each plastic container forms a mixture. Measure the pH value of the mixture by dipping the pH strip into each mixture. Identify the color change of the pH strip. Compare the color change with exact color in the color chart at the packaging. The pH value of each mixture can be determined by referring to the color chart. Record the pH value of each mixture. The precautionary step, we have to wear gloves while handling the soil throughout the experiment, wear a mask to avoid inhaling any chemical substances that came from the polluted soil. We also have to use distilled water to avoid any chemicals mixed with the mixture. Also, we have to rinse the spatula after mixing the mixture to avoid mixing one mixture to another. So, we get the expected result. For polluted soil, the pH value is less than 5 or maybe more than 7. But for natural soil, the pH value is in between 5 to 7. The conclusion in this experiment is polluted soil usually has higher pH value, which is more alkaline, or lower pH value, which is more acidic compared to natural soil. So the outcome based on this experiment, we can see that the contaminated soil is more alkaline or more acidic compared to natural soil. The more alkaline or the more acidic the soil, the more toxic substances are present in the soil. As we can see, healthy plants tend to grow in natural soil rather than contaminated soil, as natural soil provide enough nutrients needed for the plant. Unlike contaminated soil where plants are exposed to toxic substances stored in the soil that makes the plant eventually die due to insufficient of nutrients.
Here is a civil engineering solution. We use the bioremediation method to resolve our problem. Bioremediation is a process that uses living or dead biological systems to remove environmental pollutants from water, soil, air, and other areas. Bioremediation is one of methods which is planned for the purpose of degradation, extraction, or elimination of polluted substance from soil and water. Did you know that sunflowers are often used in phytoremediation? Sunflowers are used for remediation of soil polluted by the explosion of the nuclear plant in Chernobyl, Russia. Sunflower act as a hyperaccumulator which can eliminate heavy metals such as zinc, chromium, copper, lead, and nickel, and also radioactive substances such as caesium and strontium. And lastly, it can be cost-effective and environmentally friendly compared to traditional chemical and physical cleanup methods.
That's all from us. Thank you.